This app's appears show you.
How to turn off critical alerts notification on iPhone. If you don't want to get any critical alerts notification on your iPhone, here's how to stop it. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on messages, tap on notifications, and under always delivery immediately section, you will get critical alerts. Critical alerts appear on the lock screen and play a sound even if a focus is on or iPhone is muted. So to turn off critical alerts notification, just disable this option. And now on, you won't get any critical alerts notification on your iPhone. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.